Hi there, I am back again with your September stats. So this is just a little look at what's been going on in the Sedgwick County real estate market. I'm going to tell you what the numbers say, and then I'm also going to tell you what we're experiencing here in the office day to day with our clients mid-October. So it's a little bit different, I think, than what the numbers tell. So overall, the home sales are actually up, not only year over year, but also up from 2023. So many felt that 2024 was a little bit of a down year. There were less homes sold nationwide. And we are definitely up from last year. We're up 11%. So that is a good thing for the real estate industry and for all of my home sellers and buyers out there. Active listings on the market, we are up 23%. So if you are a seller or you're seeing homes in your neighborhood sit for a little bit longer, you are not mistaken. They are, because people have more to choose from. So that is why I am talking with my clients about why it's so important to really have your best foot forward. Do all the little things that if we were selling your home 2 years ago, you probably didn't need to worry about. But now we do. We do have to make sure that we are really ready for the market so that ours stands out amongst a higher inventory level. The other thing I think is interesting is our pending contracts went way up in September. So they are up 12% year over year for September. So that's a good thing. People are still buying homes. The days on market did go up, which again kind of leads back to that buyers have more to choose from. They're being a little more discriminatory about what they choose and taking longer to make those decisions. So we are definitely feeling that in the market right now. What we are seeing right now in our office in mid-October is a little bit indicative of what we're seeing in the numbers with a twist. So we are actually still seeing some very competitive situations on homes. And it's when we have been very strategic about pricing them. So sellers many times want to price exactly based on comps, maybe push a little higher. And unfortunately, this market is one where I can get your home sold and I can get it sold quickly, but it's probably not going to be a situation where we can test the market. We can list 5 to 10,000 higher than we really think comps are coming in at, and still get it sold quickly. Those homes are sitting on the market. We're seeing more price reductions in the market right now, and I think it's because sellers have just started a little bit too high. So if I'm sitting at your table and we're talking about where to price your home because you want to sell it and you want to sell it quickly, we're going to be talking about strategy as much as we're talking about value. There is still a lot of equity and money to be made to take to whatever your next chapter is when we sell your home, but we have to get really clear on pricing and what that strategy is going to be. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next month. Hope you have a great rest of your October.